Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Uh, in this session, we will discuss exercise 13.5. That is an exam exercise from topic of vectors from additional mathematics course. This book is written by Sui Pemberton and very important for O-level additional mathematics course. And this question number 1 was appeared in June 2012 exam of additional mathematics course, Cambridge IGCSE. In the first part, we have given relative to an origin the two position vector A and B, and the vectors are given as 2i minus 3j and 11i plus 42j. This is OA and this is OB. And from this OA and OB, we have to write down the expression for AB. So this is important and very easy, but in this the part B, the point C lies on AB. So in this AB, we have a point C such that AB AC is equal to 1/3 of AB. So we have to find ACs and then we have to find OC from this AC. In part D, we have to find position vector D such that this OA and the point D lies on OA, and that DC is parallel to OB. So let's solve this first part. OA and OB is given, so AB can be found out as OB minus OA. OB is given as this and OA is here. On solving, we have obtained 9i plus 45j. This is the part 1, very easy. In a part B, AC is given as 1/3 of AB, so AB has been obtained. So in place of this AB, we can place this value and we have obtained this. So this AC, so from AC we can obtain this. OA is known, AC is known, so OC can be obtained. So OC is obtained as 5i plus 12j, and from this we can obtain the magnitude of this set, because we have to find the length of position vectors OC. So this is 13 units. And in a part C, which is very important, the point D lies on OA such that DC is parallel to OB. Suppose this is from the second question, but we have assumed that same kind of vectors, and here we have this OA and OB, and we have this point C on this AB. AC is 1/3 of AB, and this D point is considered here. And similarly on OB, we have assumed a point E such that the DC is equals to OE. So this with this consideration, or OD is equals to EC. So let E is a point on OB, and such that OD, this OD and EC are equal. So EC can be obtained as this EB and BC. So EB plus BC, and we can say that OE and OB has some ratio mu, and from this OE is equal to mu OB, and this OB is equal to OE, this one, and this vector. So in place of this OE, we can write this mu OB, and from this EB can be obtained as 1 minus mu OB. So this is obtained, EB obtained as in terms of OB with some ratios, and we can place this EB as this. So in place of this EB, we can place this value here, and similarly BC is minus CB, and since this is 1/3, so this CB is 2/3. So BC can be written on minus CB, and CB is 2/3 of AB. And we substitute the values here, and we have obtained in like this relation. EC is obtained as this, and since this OD is also lies on this OA, this point D, so we assume that OD and OA ratio is lambda. So OD and OA ratio is lambda. So in place of this OA, we can write this, and this is OD is written as this. So this, we have this equation and OD as this, and since OD and EC are same, vector, this is a position vector. So AC, EC and OD are equivalent or same. So we can equate this EC and OD. So the coefficients can be compared here. So OD is equal to EC. So this is like to left hand side and right hand side. We can compare I's and J's on both sides. So we have obtained equation 1 and 2 from this part. This we have this relation, and by solving these two, by simplifying and then on solving, we have obtained mu is equal to 1 over 3. So by placing this mu is equal to 1 over 3 over here, we can find the lambda. So lambda is obtained as 2 by 3. So this is simple. Mu and lambda is obtained. OD is equal to lambda OA. So in place of lambda, we can place this 2 by 3. And from this OD is 4 upon 3 I minus 2. So this is part C, which is very, very important. So in the next session, we will discuss some other questions. I have actually solved this question on the request of one of the student who asked for this part C, which was perhaps missing in the previous solution. So I have considered it in more detail this time. So I will discuss it other questions as well from examination parts in subsequent videos.